Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create or set up Azure Virtual Machine for the Windows Server 2022. See, I have connected to Azure portal. Then see, in recent services I have the virtual machines, or you can search here for the virtual machines. See, here I have the virtual machines, or go to this horizontal bars, then click on all services, then click on compute. See, here we have the virtual machines. Click on it, then click on create and select virtual machine, or click on this create button. Both are same. Click on create and select virtual machine, then select the subscription, then select the resource group. If you want to create new resource group, you have to click on create new, or you can select from existing one. Then provide the virtual machine name. I am giving VM. Name can be anything. Then select the region. So I am selecting region. So select the region which is near to you. Then availability options, I am going with availability zone, but we have the virtual machine scale set or availability set. Then zone options, I am going with self selected zone. Then availability zone, we have three zones, but if you select all three, then cost will increase. See here, estimated monthly cost increases. Okay, so then security type, see here we have these options. I am going with the standard. Then image, see here we have to select the image. See, these are the recently visited services, but if you are unable to find, click on see all images, then search here, or see here we have the Windows Server. Click on this select, then select the option. So I am going to select Windows Server 2022 Gen 2. It is up to you. See, once we selected it, it will populate here. See, estimated cost. Okay, then architecture I am not going to see, and run with Azure spot discount I don't want. So select this size. See, this is the recently used sizes, and if you want to select any one of these available sizes for the select region, so I am going with the minimal. Okay, so based on the size, charges will be there. Then enable hibernation, it is grayed out. Okay, then provide the username and password. So I am giving username as VM AG VM admin. It must satisfy these rules. Okay, so provide the password. Password confirm the same. Then inbound rules, allow selected ports. See, for Windows Server by default it is selected RDP. If you want to select this HTTP HTTPS, you can select. Later also you can configure this inbound rules. Then if you have an existing license, see, save up to 49% with a license you already own using. See, if you select it, see, cost is reduced. Notice here, see, if you select here, cost has been reduced. Okay, if you have, you can select it. Okay, but I don't have, then click on disks. See, OS disk by default it has selected 127 megabytes. If you want, so cost also changes based on the selection. Suppose if you select 1 TB, see, cost is increased. So for this demo purpose I am going with minimal. Then OS disk type I am going with the standard SSD. Then delete with VM. So if you delete this virtual machine, this OS disk will be deleted if you select this option. Keep management I am not going to. So if you want to create a new disk, you have to click on this one, create and attach a disk, and if you have an existing, you have to click on attach an existing disk. Then click on networking and wait. See, it is going to create new virtual network because I don't have anything in the same region. And subnet also it is going to create this one. And public IP, see here it is going to create new public IP. If you don't want, select drop down and select none. Okay, remaining like net security group, remaining options I am not going to configure. Delete public IP NIC when VM is deleted. See, this will also delete the public IP when we delete the virtual machine. Remaining options like load balancing, see here we have the none, Azure load balancer, application gateway. Okay, whatever you want you can select them. Then click on management. If you want auto shutdown, if you want to provide a Microsoft Enter ID, you have to select this one. Okay, so I am not going to configure. Then monitoring, if you want to enable monitoring, you have to click on here and you have to provide the rules. Then advanced, if you want to provide custom data or user data, you have to select the checkbox and you have to provide. remaining options I am not going to configure. Tags I am not going to provide any tags. Then click on review and create. See, this is the estimated cost per hour. Okay, see, these are the list of the options that we have selected. Review the settings one more time and see here, this is the estimated monthly cost. If you want to change any one of them, you have to go to this top, and in the top you have these headers. You can select these options. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on create. See, initializing deployment. See, it has created these resources. Now it is creating virtual machine. See, deployment is complete. Click on go to resource, or click on go to resource, or go to all services, then go to virtual machines. See, here we have the one virtual machine. Then click on virtual machine, hide this one. See here, this is the resource group name, status, location, subscription ID, availability zone 1, and this is the Windows Server 2022 data center. This is the size information, public IP, virtual network or subnet, DNS name not configured. If you want to configure, just click on not configured. Then this is the creation of the virtual machine. And see, properties of the virtual machine, networking, size, Azure spot, and other information like disk and other. Okay, and also here in the top, connect, start is grayed out because virtual machine is running. And if you want to restart, click on here, stop, capture, and see here we have these options: restore point and image, delete, refresh, open in mobile, and other CLI and PS, that is PowerShell. Okay, and also see here in the left side we have different options. Okay, now we will connect by using, see here we have these options: connect, Bastion, Windows Admin Center. Okay, so essentials, click on this drop down and select the connect. See, this is the username. Okay, see, this is by using RDP, and see here we have the more ways to connect. See here we have these options, but in this video I am going to connect by using RDP. So click on drop down RDP file, or just copy this public IP, then Windows Run MSTSC, enter, provide that IP, click on connect. Now provide the username. See, this is the username, then provide it, then provide the password that you have set for this user while creating the virtual machine. Then click on yes. Wait a moment. See, now it is connecting. See, we have successfully connected. Now Windows Run or open folders, right click on this PC, properties. See, we have connected to Windows Server data center. This is the installed RAM size, processor, this is Intel. Okay, close this one, close. And if you want to see the, click on this PC, see, storage information 126 GB. Okay, or if you can also verify Windows Run, then WinWar, it is WinWar. See, we have connected to Windows Server. Okay, if you want to log off, just give log off. Okay, this is the way. Even if you download this RDP file, we will get the same console. Then we have to just click on download RDP, then click on keep, then open it, then click on connect, then provide the password of this user. Then click on OK. Click on yes. See, we have successfully connected. Okay, so log off. See, now go to overview. If you are not using, delete it, because charges are based on the usage. So if you are not using temporarily, click on stop. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to create or set up Azure Virtual Machine for the Windows Server 2022. Okay, for more Azure or DevOps tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.